I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the server service and instance name. This avoids connection timeouts. Open SQL Server Configuration Manager, ensure TCP/IP is enabled, and check the instance name such as /SQL Express or local. Then launch SSMS and choose Windows Authentication unless you created a SQL login. That choice matters because Windows uses your current credentials. Once done, enter the server name exactly and press Connect. If the instance responds, you've completed the first actionable step. You now handle credentials and advanced settings to reach a stable session. If using SQL Server Authentication, enter the SQL login and secure password. Otherwise, stick with Windows Authentication for integrated access. Use server name /instance name or the server IP and add a comma plus port when the server listens on a non-standard port. Click Options in the Connection dialog to pick TCP/IP or named pipes. Set a longer timeout when the network is slow, and choose a specific database if you do not want the default master. You finish by ensuring the connection is reliable and knowing what to do if it fails. If SSMS still won't connect, check the server firewall and open port 1433 or your configured port. Firewalls commonly block new installs. Review the SQL Server error log and Windows Event Viewer for authentication or startup errors, and make sure the SQL Service account has network permissions. If you changed TCP/IP or authentication settings, restart the SQL Server service. That often resolves lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.